हाय गाइस, मेरा नाम मंदार है और आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं ओरेकल कार्ड रीडिंग फॉर वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड। सो लेट्स डू दिस। तो धीरज, तुझे क्या जानना है?
Related to career,
ओके,
love life, finance.
लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर लव लाइफ, which is interesting. So I have spread this. You have to think about your ancestors and angel guides if you believe in them. Via their medium, we will pick this energy reading card. And based on that cards, we will figure out, and I will try to tell you by reading from the guidebooks. Okay, this is like boundaries, and our second card is pillar of light. I will read out boundaries for you first. So boundaries are where do you need to establish better boundaries. You are being called to create clear boundaries in your life where you could be with your friends, family or work. Saying yes when you really mean no leads to resentment, which is the biggest energy drain ever. At first, it might only be a little bit and not feel like a big deal at all. But before you know it, your energy field becomes you, and you are left feeling depleted, resentful, or taken advantage of. Saying no and having clear boundaries is actually a spiritual act. The most giving, loving, compassionate people are those with the clearer boundaries. I completely had no idea that your angel guides are telling the ancestors that you struggle with keeping boundaries with someone, maybe in love life, since we are reading for it intentionally your love card, right? So I think you kind of struggle to say no. So they are telling you that having clear boundaries with your loved ones from beginning only, it is a spiritual act that which you need to do. For when they say yes, they are able to give unconditionally. So that's why you have to preserve your energy and be very mindful where you have to say no. You should not hesitate to say no to people. When your boundaries are clear, others know where they stand and you are able to give freely. If you are not clear where your boundaries lie, the causes confusion, resentment and energetic cords to be planted. जब हम लोग ऐसे बाउंड्रीज नहीं रखते तो ज़्यादा उससे प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाती है काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों में, जैसे कन्फ्यूजन होता है, जो एनर्जेटिक बॉन्ड जितना होता है, जितने रिलेशनशिप में जो भी, उसमें काफ़ी अफेक्ट कर जाता है रिलेशनशिप बाउंड्रीज ना रखने से. और अगर आप हाँ बोलते हो तो उसमें एक्चुअली यू मीन नो. यू आर लाइकली नीडिंग समथिंग योर सेल्फ. आस्क योर सेल्फ, what part of me needs something from them. It could be need for approval, a fear of being seen in a certain way, or a fear of loss. The best way to gauge your boundaries is to check in with your belly. एक gut feeling होती है whenever you are about to do something which you are scared of, or something like you feel very wrong. You can feel that in your belly. That's how you can. Everybody has that skills and to understand within, which is intentional or not. Your belly is the second brain. It has an intelligence known as your gut feelings. Tune into this space when deciding what is okay for you. How does it feel? When is it trying to communicate with you? So you'll have to take this card and say few words with me. You can close your eyes and keep the card into your heart if you want. Read out this word. Where in your life do you need to establish better boundaries. Please ask yourself and your angel guides will tell you how. Let's start with your second reading, which is pillar of light. You could see this card, how the visuals are. Your vibration is rising. You are the oracle. You are heaven and earth in perfect expression. A conduit. Imagine yourself as a pillar of light, connecting the light of heavens above with the earth. As the light shines through each of your chakras, you activate the rainbow bridge that many ancient scriptures speak about it, raising your vibration and the vibration of planet, linking the higher realms of the cosmos, guide and angels and the spirit, ancient wisdom keepers and being of the planet Earth. They dance together through you. They sing together through you. Without your body, voice, creation, neither can be expressed. For too long, we have been taught that God is outside of us, giving away our powers to angels and spirit guides. But without you, they do not have a choice. So these cards are telling there's universe within you. आपके अंदर यूनिवर्स है जिसको आप फील करो, मेडिटेट करो, and there is something called we create energetic shield. We imagine whenever we meditate, what we do, whatever our insecurity, anxiety, whatever, we keep that in the box and we throw the key away from it, and we focus on creating a energetic field where we align through the ground to the universe and all the galaxy through it, and just imagine how things are and believe in your journey however it is going, and dance within, your body should always have that movement, so you can feel that energetic field in this reality and this realm. And this, they are telling the real God is within you, so you should follow what you feel like and to feel aligned, so your chakras can get aligned through it. ये ऐसे बता रहा है कि आप ही ओराकल है, आप में पूरा विश्व है, बट आप गाइडेंस के लिए हमेशा बाहर के लोगों के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन जस्ट होल्ड द विजडम एंटायर यूनिवर्स इन अ पोर्टल ऑफ योर हार्ट. आपको सिर्फ मेडिटेट करना है, एनर्जेटिक फील्ड बनाना है एंड कभी कभार ऑब्जर्व करना है कि टू फाइंड हु यू आर एंड गेट द गाइडेंस फर्स्ट फ्रॉम यू, and then go and ask for guidance which is if required. The universe is in portal of your heart, in every cell of your body. Do not see the angels and guides above you, for without you they have no way communicating. You are the oracle, you are the rainbow bridge, you are the pillar of light. जितने भी एंजल गाइड्स है, स्पिरिचुअल रेल्म्स वगैरह है, उनसे कम्युनिकेट करना है आपको, बट आपके बिना आप वो उनका एग्जिस्टेंस ही नहीं होता है. सो डोंट थिंक कि दे आर अबाव यू और सम एनी अदर पर्सन इज अबाव यू. एवरीबडी इज इक्वल एंड एवरीबडी इज द सेम. योर जर्नी इज डिफरेंट एंड यू हैव टू बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ. दैट्स व्हाई इट सेज यू आर द पिलर ऑफ लाइट. नाउ यू शुड पिक दिस कार्ड and hold the card on your heart and say, I allow the light of the heavens,
I allow the light of heavens
and the light of the earth
and light of the earth
to flow through me now.
to flow through me now.
I activate the codes of remembering within
I activate the codes of remembering within
my cells and chakras.
my cells and chakras.
I activate my system
I activate my system
as a rainbow bridge between heaven and earth.
as a rainbow bridge between heaven and earth.
Okay, that's it. So now what we can do, whenever you go for the relationship in general in life, so you should not worry about take guidance or anything. You just have to believe in your journey and build that protection energetic field around you and keep strong boundaries. Whenever you should learn when to say no. No is no, because that's how which makes you spiritually that's a spiritual act to make it out of it. किसी को मना करना, बाउंड्रीज रखने में कोई बुराई नहीं है. उसकी वजह से एक आप स्पिरिचुअल एक्ट करते हो एक तरीके से, और आपको बिलीव करना है. और अगर आप ये दो चीज़ें करते हो तो यू विल फाइंड आउट हाउ योर लव लाइफ इज गोइंग टू बी, और इट इज़ गोइंग, और इफ इट्स गोइंग ऑन देन इट कैन रिलेट टू यू. हाय गाइस, सो इस तरीके से हमने ये कार्ड रीडिंग कर ली है. ये थी ओरेकल कार्ड रीडिंग फॉर माय फ्रेंड, जिनमें हमें पता चला दैट ही नीड टू कीप क्लियर बाउंड्रीज एंड डू नॉट हेजिटेट टू से नो, एंड हाउ देयर गाइड एंजल्स tells him that he is the pillar of light and he doesn't has to hesitate and think someone below himself above, or make anyone think they are above him or things like that, and how he can relate to the love life and amplify these two things to have a better love life or anything, how in the present moment his love life is going on according to it. So that was it. That was about this oracle card reading. I hope this helps some of you at least. So and I'm open for personal reading as well. If you guys want to do, let me know and we can find out a way, and let's be internet friends, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Twist and Tube. I'll see you guys soon.